What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Half Deezy, and let's get the intro out of the way. First off, I'd like to say happy holidays to you and yours. I hope your holiday was great and you ate plenty of food and you're good to go. Let's go on ahead and jump right into this. So this particular video is going to be located in the Artist Tools playlist, and this is just to show you how to register work. Now, I am registered and a member of ASCAP. This is my writing account, because remember, I think in my first video, I said you want to get writing and publishing. Now, the process is the exact same. So I'm going to show you, and as a matter of fact, when you have publishing, once you register the work as a writer and you put in your publishing, it's going to automatically be added to your catalog for your publishing name or whatever you want to call it. Okay. So first thing you want to do, obviously log in. Taking forever. All right. First thing I'm going to do, I got 52 works registered. I want to register a new one. So I'm going to put in the title. For this song, what song do I need to do? Hold on. Because I pre-schedule all my stuff. So Live It Up. All right, we'll do Live It Up. I actually have 4 songs that I need to register. So that's why I decided to make this quick video. So you put in the title. Then I'm going to go down here. Oh, I automatically populate, but you can type in the person's name, and then it will bring up their ASCAP membership. And I don't know if you saw that, but it does show BMI people who are registered with BMI, so you can make sure you can get them their royalties as well. So my role was the composer and the author of this, and we're going to put 50%. And then for publishing, there's my publishing right there. I'm going to add that in. And we're going to put 50%. It has to equal 100%. If you have other people that you have to add in here, then whatever percentages you guys work out with each other, you need to break it down and make sure that it equals 100% in here, because it will not let you go on. Has this work been recorded? Yes. The recording artist, Half Deezy. Sound recording title, Live It Up. ISRC. This is where when you pre-upload your stuff, like before a certain date when it's supposed to drop, you can come back over here on DistroKid and grab the ISRC code, which is right here. I don't know if you can see where I highlighted it. You're going to put that in. You're going to put the release date. Sometimes I forget. When is the release date? February 11th. So we're going to go 02/11. 2021, or I'm sorry, 22. Holy shit, stuck in the past. So that's good. It automatically saves, so you don't have to worry about that. Has it been performed publicly? No, but I always put this on there because it will be publicly performed. All these questions are no, for the most part, for most people. If you have a sample, make sure you add the people's information in there. If it's a concert work, like it was recorded at a concert or recorded at a specific event, make sure you add those details. If it's intended for commercial use, if it's intended for movies, make sure that you put that information in there. If it has public domain elements, same thing. A lot of this is self-explanatory, but I'm going through it. Do you know the performance time? For this, I like to put this information in. It's not required, but I do it. So what I do is I always have my songs in my phone. So I'll just type in the song, find it real quick, tap on it, and then get the time. Three minutes, 6 seconds. So it's going to be 00. Where is it? 3 minutes. Yeah, 03:06. All right. So we got that. Click submit. I don't know why I did that. And boom, there you go. It is registered. It's gonna show up in my publishing catalog. I'll do a separate video on publishing, so you guys can see that. And yeah, I hope this helped anybody who is not familiar with registering. If you are signed up with ASCAP, you just never done it before, or you're about to sign up, or once you sign up, you want to know how to do it quick, easy, to the point. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. This video will be in the Artist Tools playlist, and I hope it was able to help you. In the meantime, y'all be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.